My business is called Accounting Training, and what I do is I typically set up MYOB for clients that need to use it. I train them how to use the program and also troubleshoot. So if they get into trouble or they can't understand something or something's perhaps gone wrong, then I help them resolve the problems. Business owners have a concern. They're concerned that somebody could get into their data, that could actually access their data, and they won't go cloud. There's some people that would probably never go cloud for that very reason. So I think it's a loss of integrity or just that they might lose confidentiality, I would say, is the main reason. And also, you wouldn't go cloud if you had dodgy internet. There's no reason why would you do that? Because if I can't get into my online file because my internet's down, then you wouldn't go cloud for that reason. So there are some concerns in some areas of New Zealand why you wouldn't go, but generally in most big cities here we're fine. So I think that would be the main reasons. Well, what we do is that company should run their file off the cloud and run it on the local machine, which we can do with Account Live. So my personal preference is to have my file on my local PC. If I need it to go cloud, I just put it up there, and otherwise I just bring it down again. So you can run it either way, which is great. It's the best of both worlds. You can run it either on the cloud or you can run it locally, and that means if the internet is looking like it's going down or something like that, then it's not a problem. It synchronises as well, so I've always got a backup copy. Well, the cloud will give them multi-user access for a start. So before they had single user access, now they have 5 people that can get in at one time, which is a huge advantage to them. Secondly, the bank feeds we've never had before, which is really good. It's the best system for bank feeds that I've seen out there. So I'm more than happy with the way that MYOB have set up the bank feeds. And I think the clients are happy with bank feeds too. They want bank feeds, especially when they've had them. I think they should always look before they buy. They should take a test drive, which they can get from the MYOB website, www.myob.co.nz. So always take a test drive and have a look at what they're going into. I think for a startup business, they should consider live accounts because it's a very, very good program, and it includes a full payroll. So I would say to a startup business or a small business, consider live accounts first. For a bigger business, they should go and look at Account Live, and they should always look before they buy, as with anything. So it's good value for the money, I believe.